What happens if you eat almonds and walnuts every day? Nuts like almonds and walnuts contain many nutrients. In such a situation, eating them daily provides many health benefits. So let's know about their benefits from the experts. Expert opinion. According to clinical nutritionist and dietitian Garima Goyal, almonds and walnuts have many nutrients. Eating them after soaking them provides many health benefits. Keep in mind that you should not eat more than 28 grams of nuts in a day. Properties present in almonds and walnuts. Almonds and walnuts contain good amounts of omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin E, fiber, protein, and antioxidant properties, which are beneficial for health. When to eat almonds and walnuts? You can soak almonds and walnuts overnight and eat them in the morning. Apart from this, you can add them to porridge, oats, and smoothies in the morning, as a snack in the evening, or eat them with warm milk 1 hour before sleeping at night. Boost immunity. Many nutrients are found in almonds and walnuts. In such a situation, eating them after soaking them daily helps in boosting immunity and preventing diseases. Beneficial for digestion. Nutrient elements like fiber are found in walnuts and almonds. In such a situation, eating them soaked every day boosts metabolism, which helps in reducing weight and improving digestion. Beneficial for the heart. Potassium, healthy fats, and antioxidant properties are found in almonds and walnuts. In such a situation, eating them after soaking them daily helps in keeping the heart healthy. Sharpens memory. Eating soaked almonds and walnuts every day helps in improving memory. The omega-3 fatty acid present in them is helpful in increasing brain power. Eating almonds and walnuts daily has the health benefits mentioned in the article.